Most of us are looking for an indicator which gives us buy or sell signal when it goes above or falls below some level. Maybe CCI can have an answer for us. Hello and welcome to Mini Traders. One of the great indicators we can use in designing a trend following strategy is Commodity Channel Index or CCI. It gives us solid signals which needs no judgment and anyone can use it. When we have such a situation, we can backtest our strategy with its solid rules and results would be more reliable. But before we start, subscribe and hit the notification bell under this video for supporting us and getting notified when we upload new videos. First of all, let's see what is CCI. CCI has a calculation formula that most of us don't need to know, but it is simply calculating a simple moving average in a period and compares it to last candle. When price is getting higher than the average, the CCI becomes positive, and when price is getting lower, the average CCI becomes negative. The value of CCI is most of the times between -100 and +100. This can be a sign for sideways market, and when it becomes more than 100 in any direction, it can be a sign for having a trend. You can see some false signals, and we are going to talk about them in the rest of this video. But first, let's see how we can have this indicator in our chart. You can search for CCI in Trading View and select it from built-in indicators. You can find it in MetaTrader from Insert Indicators, Oscillators, Commodity Channel Index. Its most important setting is about period of moving average. You would need it depending on the market you're going to trade. The optimum number is different in different markets. When we use short period for CCI, we would have more signals, but false signals between them. And if we use longer periods, we have less false signals, while we get late in most of the moves. As a matter of fact, we are not forced to use only CCI in our strategy. We can combine it with other studies like ADX, for example, to use short period of CCI and still avoid false signals. We can also use CCI for finding trend and use other studies to enter the market. So, as a conclusion, this indicator can be used for finding trend, finding entry, timing re-entry, and it's better to be used in trend following strategies. This video has come to its end. Like it if you enjoyed it. Share this video with anyone you think that might need it. Thanks for watching. Have a good time.